Welcome to Python Clean Coding. My name is Peter Fisher. I'm a freelance web and mobile applications developer. I'm also the host of the How to Code Well podcast and YouTube channel, where I teach all sorts of web development languages, including JavaScript, PHP, Python, Docker, and Linux. And I'm happy to introduce my new course, Python Clean Coding. This course has 5 sections. In the first section, I discuss what is clean code. And also, I demonstrate the readability features of Python compared to other programming languages such as PHP, JavaScript, Ruby, and so forth. In the second section, I demonstrate how to write Pythonic code. In this section, I demonstrate complicated examples and how to simplify those examples using Pythonic features, such as decorators and context managers. In the third section, I discuss Python coding standards and how to follow Python enhancement proposals, or PEPs. I also demonstrate how to use tools such as PyCode Style and Black to ensure that our code is clean and readable. Section number 4 is all about good Python practices. This section is full of code examples. Here I'm comparing bad examples and good examples of common Python applications. Included in this section is also good practices when writing and using functions and classes within Python. In the 5th and final section within this course, we go beyond the syntax and we talk about various different mechanisms that you can adopt to ensure that your code is clean and readable throughout your application's development lifecycle. We talk about test-driven development, we talk about refactoring your code, and we also talk about how to achieve clean code when working on a legacy application. The prerequisites for this course is a desire to learn clean coding skills. You must also want to improve your coding and programming skills too. I also recommend a basic understanding of Python.